121,121,8900.
That's how much chocolate's in underneath? I think so too.
5910.
5910? It's a great number. What's going on, guys? Happy freaking Monday. What's the deal? It's Saturday. It's freezing, but it's supposed to warm up over the weekend. Anyway, I just got a couple of parts for the Civic. We got suspension and our D&D hub we're gonna dive into it once it's not freezing out, you heard? So today we're gonna go look at a bunch of houses. I'm trying to buy a house like in the next year or so. We're gonna start looking at it again. I don't know, I'm out of breath. All right, let's go back inside. S13 is looking good. And we ordered 5 lug swap. Oh, you know what I forgot, guys? I put my LM GT2s on here. That was my original plan. So that's what we're gonna do. I kind of wanted to throw 18s on it, but we'll see. I just had to get that box out of the way. Cause your boy get in trouble. I don't know how to be a double.
There's a 2.
You ready?
Wait, I'm putting some supply on my girl.
Okay. Nina, where are we going?
To Rashad's birthday, yay!
Woo!
And look at me. I'm just wearing these because it's gonna be a rock climbing party.
Exciting?
Yeah. Guess what? I'm gonna have a JoJo party, and there's gonna be 2 kinds of cakes. There's gonna be so one side's gonna be for the boys and one side's gonna be for the girls.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and the one side for the girls is gonna be JoJo, and for the other side, for the boys, it's gonna be Power Rangers.
Oh, I like that idea. How are you liking this new car?
It's great.
You love it?
Yeah.
Oh. We're gonna go and taking Lena to her friend's birthday party, rock climbing, you feel me? So we're gonna have a good time. We're taking the Civic out because this is the new daily. It's been good all week. I just sprayed it down on the way from the house. The house was too small. It wasn't that nice. But we're on a hunt for the house. But we have a lot to figure out because we have a lot of production in the house. Yes.
Do you bring food in here?
No, why?
Because it smells like strawberry.
I think it's this. To figure out a house that'll sustain our needs. So, but yeah, it'll be a long journey. We're getting little by little, just one at a time. That's all you can do. Inside the new haunted rock gym. Oh.
I'm scared in here.
Rocky.
Who doesn't scared?
That's cool.
No, it's scary in here.
You get to climb.
I'm not going to climb.
Lena, how do you feel? Excited? Excited? Climb all the way up to another world?
Scared.
Scared? There's a baby on the wall.
Where?
You don't see it?
Right there?
No. You don't see the baby?
Where is it?
It's a big rock that looks like a baby.
Oh, right there.
You see it?
Yes.
27 heartbeats.
Keep going! Keep going! Alrighty, on my way back, Lena lobby is out. Oh yeah. But it was a good day. I had a fun time. About to go work. I gotta get this. I want to get a line out and done by next week. I'm like halfway through, kind of, and so that way when we go to LA, we really have something to, you know, have something to market and promote. Probably the new line. So, and then I'm gonna let it breathe for a minute and get back at it. So yeah, that's the plan. I got a lot of parts in. I got my coilovers in for the Civic and some other parts that I'll show you in a Very dope. It's day 2. We're gonna go check out another house, but when I get home, we're gonna take a look at the coilovers or some parts we got, and I'm super excited. I spent like all night designing this bag. Actually, for 2 days I've been trying to design this bag, and like I was just playing. I mean, I had like 7 different versions of it, and just trying to push it to like the best possible bag. So I'm hyped. It came out dope. I'll show you guys in a little bit, but it's in production now. Hopefully it all comes out good. Just got to, or no, we didn't just get to. We just got home. We went to see this house. It was actually really, really nice. I liked it, but it's so far away.
Yeah.
It's
like 5 miles.
Conclusion. We're gonna check out these coilovers that we got. I don't know how dope they are. They're eBay specials. And after doing some research, you'd be shocked on how many of the same companies get a lot of their stuff all from the same spot. I'm not gonna install them today, but I figured if I don't like the ride quality or if it doesn't do well in said track, I am going to just upgrade the springs. Because most likely those shocks were manufactured, they're all in the same factories in China. Like, it's one thing I've learned. A lot of people get their stuff from the same places, and that's like across the board. You'd be shocked. But we're gonna take a look at them. We got a D&D hub for the Honda to throw one of our wheels on, and I'm so excited. I just can't fight it. The only thing is I don't know where my tripod is. Look at the girl. I've never been so happy. 2 240s, a Honda. Life is good. The Honda looks good. I did wash it after I got trashed from the salt, and then seeing it in the daytime, it has a couple things, a couple little thangers, but overall it's fairly clean. It's really not that bad. I've seen a lot worse, and I'm excited. Freshly painted hood.
27 hearts beat.
So without further ado, here we go. We got the box. We just needed something to cut it open with. This looks like it'll do. Yes. Oh. That's just fun to do. This is so satisfying. This is so satisfying. Oh baby, look at these bad boys. The quality. It's actually pretty good. The old, I know everyone knows of these. The MaxXpeedingrods. 0 dampening adjustments, but it's all good. Worst comes to worst, we'll just put new springs on this bad boy. They look good. Nice quality. A couple nicks. But yeah, build quality seems solid. I mean, it's all just machine parts and shocks. I mean, unless if you're talking dampening, it's kind of a lot of the same companies do the same stuff. So I'm super excited. They should be dope. Welds look half decent. Let's see if we can focus. Come on, focus. Focus. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. But we'll find out. Then again, if you look inside, back end isn't welded, so we might break these. But nah, they should be fine. Just for daily slash eventually track use. But when I eventually get to the track, you know, I mean, who knows where I'll be in life. I should be balling on them, but not me. What it did. I am going to, yeah, put this back in the box and eventually put them on. I'll probably put them on, I don't know, a few weeks, probably beginning of March. Wait for some stuff to come through. I'm waiting on more prototypes for floor mats. I still am not. I got another prototype, and the newest one was worse than the one before. So I was like, alright then, back from square one. So just keep making new stuff. Hopefully we'll find something nice, because your boy wants to get really, really nice floor mats. Or make them. Design, as long as I can find a good manufacturer, designing should be taken care of. I should be able to bang them out. Oh, the house we saw was balling today. We almost bought it. But It's just a little too expensive for our liking as far as like how the mortgage would pay out or plan out to be. It's double what we pay here, but we rent, so yeah. Get moving in life, get better. Keep on pushing, don't ever stop pushing, just keep on going. Don't quit, don't stop. You can slow down to take a break, but don't ever give up. Boom! Oh, I got the 5-lug swap, but I wanted to say that in a different video. But I did get the 5-lug swap. I'll probably get rocking on that one day. The one day I feel motivated to work on my car, cause that'd be dope. Throw the LMGT2s on here, or the like multi spoke that I had on the S14. I missed the S14. I want to fix it so bad, but I don't feel like working on cars. Oh, do you? I will remember you. Will you remember me? Yeah, I miss that car. One day we'll get back. Just not right now. Cool thing is I'm smart enough that I know that's the car I want. Like these two cars, so I'm not like trying to move stuff around and try to flip it. Like I know this is my baby and it's not going anywhere. So instead of like getting anxious, it's just gonna sit there until we get some more funds or we get motivation to touch it. And this is so many memories with this car. It's ridiculous. I mean, you did good and you always will. And then the S13 I just love. Kind of want to throw a Sylvia front end on it eventually, but everything has to keep moving and we need your guys' support to be able to get there one day. So make sure you share the videos. Make sure you always like the videos because it helps me out. It literally helps me out. You guys don't know, liking videos literally helps me out. That's what I'm talking about. I know this video is, again, all over the place, but it's all good. This is kind of like, if I don't have something specific to do, I just want to keep filming and keep pushing and just bring you along as I go around this world. In the world of life. Coilovers for the S Civic. The VTEC. The VTEC Bang Bang. And Civic's looking good. Alrighty, my guys, that is it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for all your support. I'm most likely gonna probably do my 5-lug swap before putting my coilovers on my Civic. So hopefully in the next few days. Actually, no, I don't have my. No, I lied. I actually got my rotors. I didn't get my 5-lug knuckle or hub spindle. So. But it should be coming any day now, and I most likely will probably do that first, just because I'm enjoying the stock life for a little bit, and also it's still winter, and I'd rather just wait until like it's somewhat nice and the 5-lug swap's done, so I can get newer tires on the S13 wheels, just because the tires that are on there really have a high sidewall, and I want to get a lower profile tire, just because they're putting 17s on a Civic. And average, usually put a 15 or 16, but this should look dope. I think it'll look dope. Roll fenders. I just want to do it proper rather than just rushing stuff. So, but I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you guys so much. Happy freaking Monday. Get up on me. Man, I can't talk. Hit me up on Instagram. I love you. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you like last time video. I love you, man. Happy Monday. Hey, your boy.
Spinal.